What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the YouTube thumbnail in InShot. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to create this thumbnail, basically you can choose the picture from this photo option or this collage, and for example I will choose this collage and I will choose this stitch, and for example I will choose the 3 pictures and click OK, and after that I will choose it to become horizon or horizontal, and you can start to export it first. After this picture being exported, so you can start to click edit, and I will put the blurry effect into this collage photo or this collage picture. So if you would like to put the blurry effect, so you can click this effect and go to the category of style and choose this blur, and I will make it into the blurry and apply to it and click export again. Nice. And after that I will start to select the one picture by clicking this create new, and I will select this picture and I will do the cutout. Click this cutout and kindly wait for the output, and I will also add the outline over here and reduce the thickness to become 20 like this, and I will export it again. And after that I will clicking this create new again, and I will select the collage that I have done the blurry effect before like this, and I will also overlay the picture by clicking this PIP, and I will select the picture that I will put the outline before, and you can start to extend it or enlarge the size, and let's say place it here. And after that you can start to play with the text, and for example I will type cartoonize your picture like this, and you can put it here. And if you'd like to do the editing for this text, you can click this pencil and click edit, and you can go to this color and choose the color which one you prefer, and you can also adjust the look of this, let's say the title or the thumbnail title. Which one do you prefer? For example, you can choose this one. Can put it here, and I will add the text below. For example, for free with AI, and I will also adjust the look. For example, this one, and you can also adjust the size and put it here. And after that you can export it again, and this picture gonna be ready to be your thumbnail into your YouTube channel. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.